Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be baking these Oreo magic bars because I'm going to John's house for Thanksgiving. So I was like, why don't I make a dessert to bring? So that's what we're going to do. You need 30 Oreos, a half cup of butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of butterscotch white chocolate chips, and then 1 cup of regular chocolate chips, and 1 cup of coconut flakes, and 1 cup of walnuts or pecans, but I went with walnuts. Okay, first you preheat the oven to 325, and mine is actually already preheated to that because my mom just made something, so I'm not going to turn it on yet. But first you put the 30 Oreos in a food processor. Not 30 at once because it probably won't fit, but you know. So I put 8 in there, and that's all that fit. So now we turn it on. Hello. This isn't working. Oh, never mind. Every time I mix it, I'm just gonna pour it in the bowl. Oh, some of that did not mix. What? I just waved. Sorry. Do that. I'm gonna melt the half stick. What should I put it at? Okay, done with this. Can you do my video?
Is this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Hello, YouTube. Hey, they lost.
Why do I have milk? Do I even need that?
That's for me.
Oh. Well, you can do that right here. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the butter, it's hot, into the Oreo mixture. Yes. Hi! This is my little dog, Chuck. Oh my god. Hi. Want a treat? Oh, Choco Bear's hungry. Here, little boy. Oh, sit. Paw. Paw. Good, Chocobo. Yes. Back to work. Okay. I'm now gonna mix this together. So I'm gonna spray the pan, and it's a 9x13, which is the recommended pan. Okay, now I'm just gonna slop this into there and mix it better because it is not very firm. Oven's ready, but I'm not. Okay, so now that's all pressed on the bottom. Here's that big chunk, if you can see it right there. It's okay, it'll give it texture. Okay, next. Wait, what? I put it into the fridge for like 15 minutes so it can harden up so you can finish. So while I'm waiting for them to freeze a little bit, I am chopping the walnuts. I'm just doing a little chop, you know? Oh my god. Oh my god! What? What do you want? Oh my god, you are so cute. Oh my god. Oh, smile. He smiled. Hi. What's that? What do you have to say to my fans?
Get the out of this freaking room.
Aw. drizzle this condensed milk all over it. Now I'm just going to spread it out evenly. Now that that's done, I'm going to add a half cup of butterscotch chips. Just sprinkle it all over it. And now I'm going to sprinkle a half cup of the white chocolate chips. And then it says a heaping cup of coconut flakes, and they smell like a fart. And then lastly, I'm going to sprinkle a cup of milk chocolate chips and the chopped walnuts. My beautiful creation is done. So I'm going to put it in the oven for like 25 to like 30 minutes. And now we wait and clean all this up. Woo! Boy. Don't they smell like a fart?
No, that's a bit. That perfume's overpowering.
Oh my gosh. Where's Chockaboo? Come here! Tell me if they smell like a fart. Sniff it.
What is this?
For my YouTube channel.
Oh
Just
my
sniff
God.
it.
YouTube
Sniff
channel.
it.
I hope these people.
Sniff it. Come on,
What is
just
this YouTube
sniff
channel
it.
called?
Don't worry about it. Can you just sniff it?
I mean, I can't even breathe with the frick.
Oh my god. Alright, here we go.
Damn, 0 subscribers. Let's,
521! Out of the oven. And bubbling a little, and some of the Oreo came up. But it's fine, it still looks good. The walnuts are a little crisp. Hopefully this isn't burnt. Oh, bang. Bang. Oh, good boy. Hey guys, sorry I didn't finish the video. But the squares, they turned out really good. I know I didn't video myself like trying one, but I was like in a rush because I have to go to bed soon because I have to wake up early. But yeah, they're really good. I highly recommend it. So after you cut them, you can eat it or just like put it in the fridge and just save it for the next day or whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I love making these videos. And there will be more. So stay tuned. Bye and happy Thanksgiving!